Hey awesome ones, it's Heather here and I'm finally going to show you my nighttime routine. You know how I take off my makeup and moisturize and all that kind of stuff. So it all starts in just a few seconds. So you're asking, how come it took you so long to do this video, Heather? And truth be told, I've been trying out a lot of different things. You know, I have these spots on my face, age spots or whatever they're called, and I've been working on them. I wanted to go to a dermatologist and make sure I was doing the right thing, and they all came out clean. I'm fine. You know, here's what happened. I am sticking with my regular routine. I have done this since I was probably 18 years old, and except for the last little part that I'm going to start using on my spots here, it's the same old, same old. So you are going to be surprised to see how my nighttime routine is, and come with me right now and I'll show you to my wash station and let's see what I got for you. All right, so here we are in my ensuite bathroom, and I'm just about, sorry about the echo and the sound, but it is a bathroom, it is a washroom, so here we go. And you're probably wondering, I'm gonna show you how I wash my face and take off my makeup in a minute, but you're probably wondering what other products she uses. And my number one product, so are you ready for washing off my eye makeup, for washing off my face makeup, is Dove soap. What? Dove soap. It's sensitive skin Dove soap. That's my go-to, guys. That's what I use, and here it is, a beauty bar they call it. And I also make sure that I'm wearing a mascara. I love the Christian Dior mascara because it washes off really, really nicely. The Burt's Bees also washes off very, very nicely. And I don't have to use all those oils and all that stuff that just tends to get into your eyes. And yes, when I'm using a waterproof mascara, I gotta use that oily stuff to get it off, but soap and water, it's working well for me. And it has been since I've been about 18 years old, and I'm 63 now. So yeah, so then what do I use after I've washed off my face and my face is dry? Well, let me show you. I use wrong name here. L'Oreal Collagen Moisturizer, and here's the little jar that I'm using right now, and as you can see, love, and it's very inexpensive, and I love that product. We talk about exfoliating, and I do like this exfoliator from St. Ives. People are saying, well, it says right on here, you got to do this 4 times a week. I would think that that would be taking my skin off. So I think that's a little bit too much exfoliation for me. When I exfoliate my face, it's maybe once or twice a month max. That's about it. That's all I've been doing. And here's one more last thing. Well, let's just say the last 2 things. If I have a spot or a blemish, I'm using natural aloe vera. And I find that that's a great help for all of those little, little blemishes that we still get even if we're older. And by the way, we are going to find links. I think you can all find Dove soap, but links to a lot of these products. We're going to find them and put them into our page at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and in most of these cases we're going to find the exact match for you. You don't pay any extra, so there's a way of getting the products. Also, we'll put it in the links in the description and also in the blog as well. And yes, I'm required to say we make a little bit of commission, but that's how we keep going with these videos. So every time you're purchasing something, you're helping and supporting, and let us know that you're doing that too, because we just want to say a big thank you to all. And oh, I got another product in my hand here. This is a new product that I'm going to try. Apparently it was Allure's beauty product of the year. It looks amazing. Now it's pricey. It's about $75 US, but it is a serum. I have tried all kinds of things. I've actually spent a lot of money on other products. Nothing worked. And apparently this has got vitamin C, pure vitamin C in it, and also rose oil. And it's supposed to be amazing. So what it's called is Wild Rose by Kors. Natural source of vitamin C, helps to improve the appearance of fine lines and even skin tone for a smooth, radiant complexion. Super vitamin C, 15%, absorbs 1,000 times percent better than pure absorbic acid and minimizes the appearance of skin discolorations for spotlessly luminous skin. And it goes on and on and on. But even the woman who helped me at this was kind of an upscale drugstore, told me that her mom's been using it and it's the best product out there. Apparently you just put a little dab on your dark spots like this. You shake it up good first. And Bill, you're going to use this too, right? Because you got a little spot on your face that we haven't been able to. He's got a spot right here, an age spot he can't get rid of. And if this works, which I think it will, I'm going to do some follow-up video for it, because finally I might have found my dream item to help me with all those spots. So let's turn around the camera and watch me wash my face and get ready for nighttime, get ready for bed. So sorry about the fan noise. You know, when you put the lights on in the washroom, it comes on. So hopefully you can hear me. But the first thing I do, as you can see, I'm wearing red lipstick today. So I'm just going to wipe some of that off. And you're going to be surprised at the face cloths that I use. I use not a white face cloth, but maybe a red or a green or a blue. And for the mascara, of course I'm going to wear a black, because the mascara comes off, it makes a mess of all of the face cloths, and when it's black you don't notice it. So let's go ahead, and I just have sort of lukewarm water here. Here we go. Yep. So I first do this part of my face and not the eyes yet. And so then I just sort of wipe all that off. And as you can see, the makeup is going to stain on there, but once that washes off, you don't notice it so much. And now, I'm just going to give that a little bit more. I don't think I got it all off. So, yeah, just make sure we get it all off. All right, so that's done. Now I'm going to rinse out that. Now for the black one. Eyebrows, don't forget your eyebrows. I'm wearing a darker eyebrow tint now, so yeah. And now you're all cringing. She's putting soap on her eyes. Well, I very rarely, Bill's laughing. I very rarely get the soap in my eyes, and if I do, I use that eye wash that I showed you guys, and you know, I'm going to put a link for the eye wash, because you should have an eye wash at your house. So, scary looking. Now I need a little bit more soap. And what I usually do is I just kind of go in and around. Make sure I'm getting all that makeup off. And nothing on my face cloth. It's weird having people watch me wash my face. It's weird, but this is what I do for you guys. Now, remember, I haven't put any mascara on this, so this is still going to be clean. I'm going to just do a once over here. And there I am. I'm all dry. Now, this is a perfectly clean towel here. Very important that before you put any moisturizer on, you are patting your face a little bit dry, or just air drying it, because you do not want to put a moisturizer on when your face is wet. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, remember once or twice a month, this particular scrub is an apricot scrub and it's 100% natural. I like that. The other things I do is after I come out of the bath, I usually put on a nice cream on my arms and on my legs, and I find that this really absorbs nicely, this Nivea one. What else do I use? Well, it's pretty dry right now, so let's get to this collagen cream that I use here. Again, I'm not fancy with this stuff. I just plop it on here. You're going, oh, that's a lot. She's got a lot. Yeah, I got a lot, but you know what? My skin just absorbs this stuff. Maybe it's because it is old, and I just sort of go under here. Oh, watch I don't get it in my eye. Up here, and just kind of give my face a massage with it. See these little marionette lines? Yeah, get it in there. Up here, around here, these little lines here. Get going on those. And also, the most important, well, not the most important, but one of the most important places is your neck. I have all that extra cream on. Oh. This is like a pampering thing for me. I love doing this, and I do it every single night. Doesn't matter how late it is. And I kind of do this with my my gels and give them a little bit of a workout, moving up, 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 up. All these lines, I hate them, and these lines here, and there you go. It feels so good. Any leftover? Yeah, just put it on my arms a little bit, but that's what we got going on there. Now, for this serum, this is what I'm going to do with the serum. They say to shake it up and shake it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear a couple of spots where I got the spots. So I'm clearing, thank you, Bill. I'm clearing off a couple of the spots. These spots around my eyes, I will not do them at nighttime, but if I'm not wearing makeup during the day, I'm going to put them on during the night because I don't want to lay on my pillow and get some of this serum into my eyes. So, got to protect our eyes. So there you go. I shook it up, and you can see it kind of looks, it's going to drip there, but it's a little bit of a, yeah, it's not clear. So she told me just put a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, which is clean, and I'm just going to dab it on these spots, and I will do a follow-up for you guys. And what do you say, Bill? You want to be doing this during the day for yourself too, right?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So now I'm ready for bed, so nighty-night. So there you have it. Pretty simple routine, wasn't it? You know, sometimes less is more. And talking about more, I know that you all want to get a little more of the cuteness factor, our little hurricane, and he's here just to sort of say thank you to all the subscribers. And by the way, if you're not a subscriber, well, there's a button down there to subscribe, and also click on the bell. We'd love to have you join us here in the community and the comments and everything. Come on down. And remember too that Fridays are beauty and fashion videos, and then what do we do on Tuesdays, Hurricane? We have the fun and the inspiration, food, travel, all that sort of thing. So make sure that you watch those ones too. And I hope you're enjoying these videos as much as we are enjoying putting them out for you. And I guess, so in the meantime, remember, you know, sometimes just enjoy the simple things in life and keep it awesome. Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.